In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an MP4 video to your Webflow project within just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to showcase your latest product, create an engaging portfolio, or simply enrich your website's user experience, adding video content can be a game changer. Let's dive into the process. First things first, you'll need to log into your Webflow account. Open up your browser and head over to the Webflow website. Once there, click on the Login button at the top right corner of the page and enter your credentials. This will take you directly into your Webflow dashboard, where you can see all your current projects at a glance. Once you're in the dashboard, scroll through to locate the specific project you want to edit. It's essential to select the correct project since any changes you make will directly affect the live version of your website once published. Click on the project to open it in the Webflow Designer. This is where all the magic happens. Now that you have your project open, the next step is to incorporate the video into your design. To do this, you'll want to focus on the Add panel. Usually you can find this on the left side of the screen. Look for a video element, click on it, then simply drag and drop it onto your Webflow canvas. This canvas is your layout area, where you manage the content structure and design of your web page. By dragging the video element onto the canvas, you are setting up a placeholder for your video. At this point, you might be wondering how to locate this video element quickly, especially if you're dealing with a complex design. Here's a neat trick. On a Mac, you can press Command+E, or if you're using Windows, press Ctrl+E. These shortcuts will open up the Quick Find search bar. Simply type in video to locate the video element quickly, making the design process faster and more efficient. And there you have it. It's that simple to add an MP4 video to your Webflow project. By following these steps, you'll have dynamic video content on your site in no time at all, creating a more engaging experience for your users. Remember, videos can significantly enhance the aesthetic and functionality of your website, so don't hesitate to incorporate them into your designs. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, feel free to let me know in the comments below, and stay tuned for more Webflow tips and tricks.